What are those 5 properties of real numbers? Addition properties.
Identity property, associative property, inverse property, commutative property, closure property.
Okay, so the 5 addition properties of real numbers is closure, commutative, associative, identity, and additive inverse or inverse property. So, okay, so may I ask someone to generalize our lesson for today about the difference of 5 addition properties of real numbers? May I ask someone to mag-generalize or summarize ng lesson natin for today?
Closure property focuses on the result if you add two real numbers. The sum is also real number.
Okay.
Commutative property focuses on the order of numbers. Associative property focuses on the grouping of numbers. Identity property focuses on the effect of zero. Inverse property focuses of opposite numbers.
Okay, so since you really understand our lesson for today, so I prepared an activity here for you to answer. Prepare one half crosswise our activity. So just write the properties of real numbers, whether it is closure or identity or whatever. Okay, so copy it and answer. Uy, nenek, kayo, nenek. Siap. Sakit di atas. Sige, punta na tayo. Okay, you have given 10 minutes to Are you done? Submit your paper in cut. Okay, so the part 2, since we do not have time, you take note and answer it at home. So write a short essay explaining how the properties of addition of real numbers can seen. Sige. Copy. Write a short essay explaining how the properties of addition of real numbers can be seen or applied in real life situations. Use examples from your daily experience, such as shopping, saving money, cooking, traveling, or any situations where you add numbers. Be sure to mention at least 2 properties of addition and explain how they are shown in your own examples. Okay, so class dismissed. Goodbye, class.
Bye.